Introducing the Stinger Radio Replacement Kit for select Chrysler vehicles. Made for Dodge Charger, Challenger, and Chrysler 300 models from 2015 to 2021, this kit has everything you need to enhance your vehicle with a full infotainment experience. The kit features the stunning Stinger Heighten 10-inch touchscreen display and infotainment system, an all-in-one radio replacement interface that makes wiring super easy while retaining your vehicle's factory steering wheel controls. The custom-fit dash kit perfectly mounts the Heighten's amazing 10-inch display right between the factory air vents. The kit includes a replacement media hub module to retain all the features of the factory USB, HDMI, and auxiliary ports, giving you a seamless experience. Just follow our included installation guide to add amazing features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to send and receive messages or phone calls, listen to music, podcasts, and access your phone's navigation apps, all at your command. And new integrated features including Drive Mode screen to allow the user to set the vehicle's transmission, paddles, traction, suspension, and steering options. Vehicle settings integration, performance gauges, and vehicle information, from tire pressure to door engine status, even HVAC control, including a sunshade soft button to allow users to control the vehicle's sunshade. Of course, no car infotainment system would be complete without safety features. This system includes four camera inputs. You can add a backup camera, left and right side view cameras, and a front view camera, or any combination of cameras. And if you purchase an optional iGo navigation card, you'll get turn-by-turn directions, thousands of points of interest without needing a cell phone signal. And finally, for you audiophiles out there, this system features a built-in high-power amplifier at 50 watts per channel, 4-volt, 6-channel RCA outputs with subwoofer control, optical toslink output for external DSP, built-in crossover with high and low pass filters, and 15-band adjustable EQ with customizable presets. Ready to add tons of great new features to your vehicle? Upgrade to the Stinger Radio Replacement Kit to make every drive safer and more enjoyable.